Kartika to the stage. She was my student. Now I am proud to say that she is an entrepreneur in the field of cosmetology. Over to you, Dr. Kartika.
So, it's an honor to be on this stage, and it means a lot to me. Thank you, the entire team, for giving me an opportunity to be on this stage and express my humble views on an uncharted territory in ophthalmology. Welcome to the Hidden Gem. So, where Dr. Avinash sir has stopped. See, for those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Kartika Kiran. I might be the least educated or the least experienced in my generation of ophthalmologists, yet here I am, who struggled to get into MBBS at Government Medical College Thrissur in 2006, then into DNB Ophthalmology at Little Flower Hospital, Angamali in 2013. So, how was me feeling after post-graduation? I was tired and confused with the family matters, marriage, kids, where to settle, and everybody was expecting me to take up the financial responsibilities also. And I got into the precise eye care. Meanwhile, I took medical retina fellowship from Giridhar Eye Hospital also. After investing 8 long years in the practice, was I happy? Was I stressed? No, I was stuck. I was stuck personally and financially, and I wanted to upscale without investing much more time and money because I was already 35. There came my mentor, my warrior, and my ever support, that my husband, who asked me to do something different and something spectacular so that I can be on the stage one day sharing my experience. Thus, we started ClearFit in May 2023, and exactly 1.5 years later, I am on the stage presenting my first ever show. So, ClearFit generated us a fortune which is equivalent to the prize money of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. That is almost 1.5 crores in a period of 12 months, and we got back all our investment in a period of 5 months. So, this is the story of me when I started, and this is how it is going now. See my transformation. So, what was ClearFit? ClearFit was never an ophthalmology clinic. It was a cosmetology clinic. And wondering what an ophthalmologist is doing in a cosmetology clinic? Let's rewind back to the OPDs. That is, the skin tags that we are seeing in the margins, the xanthelasma, the under-eye darkness and the hollowness, the crow's feet, under-eye bags, the periorbital wrinkles. As a junior, I have said no, there is no way to all my patients sitting in my OPD. And there comes the role of cosmetic ophthalmology, bringing vision close to beauty. Isn't it done by a dermatologist? Hey, who are you to ask me that? Who knows the anatomy of periorbital area better? Who deals with 6-0 sutures more? Who deals with periocular microsurgeries more? Who deals with the complications of upper face? The filler, any complication happens, all dermats, all plastic surgeons, all maxillofacial surgeons refer to us. And we are expected to know to manage that complication. And who is hitting the retina with lasers? Why can't I hit the periorbicular skin with lasers? So, pursue cosmetic ophthalmology. Enhance the aesthetic appearance around the eyes, upper face, the mid face especially, the surrounding areas with surgical and non-surgical procedures. See how beautifully the under eye has improved for this lady. The brow shapes, the forehead wrinkles, the crow's feet. And this lady can face the society without her insecurities now. So, these are some of my moments. Always find solutions to the problems in our OPD and make it into our own business. I chose aesthetics because I wanted to change. I wanted to expand my ophthalmology horizon, my MBBS skills, my artistic skills, everything, and reach the skies. Our services we offer: Botox, fillers, lips, threads, glutathione, scar reduction, cosmetic camouflage, blepharoplasty, under-eye peel, xanthelasma excision, lasers, PDRN, the regenerative medicine, which Avinash sir has said, and whatnot. We have over 5,000 clients in the past 1.5 years, and of course, 95% of them are happy clients. Otherwise, I wouldn't be in this position now. And it made me rich, and it made me cool also. And my earnings were like, but we didn't stop anywhere. We all created our own empire, that is Dr. Suma Kartika Specialty Eye Care and Cosmetology Center in Ochira. But it was never a single woman show. I needed market research, building on negotiations, investment, company formation, bank accounts, GST registration, negotiation with equipment manufacturers, availability of equipment loans, and finally to the inauguration. And it's my team which helped me with all that, each and everyone having their own roles. My Suma, my husband, and 2 managers, Sijujetan and Vijesh. So, those who are new into entrepreneurship. Do anybody know what is SWOT analysis? It is considering our strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. By the way, talking about the opportunities, do you know central government is supporting us in the form of beauty and wellness sector skill council? They call this industry the sunrise industry. And India is showing the exponential growth more than the world itself in this industry nowadays. And the computed annual growth rate is reaching billions by 2028. What COVID taught us? COVID taught us self-care, invest in ourselves, invest
Dr.
in our
Karthika,
health.
we will just wind up because of that.
Yeah, invest in ourselves, invest in our health, and invest. Who else will invest in us? So there comes the role of disposable income, and India, especially Kerala, if it say even though it is a moderate earning population, they spend high category. And we can also do reverse business also, convert the clients who are coming for the cosmetology as they are affordable to ophthalmology. Elevate your practice with incorporating aesthetics into, and this opens a window, a heaven of opportunities. And the most common question which is asked to me, where did I study? I went to so many recognized and unrecognized institutions, many dermatologists, many maxillofacial surgeons, and many plastic surgeons. And here I find a problem, that is, it is highly unorganized. And we made it into the business. That is, we are starting our own classes. Welcome to the training institute provided by us for the budding ophthalmologists and ENT surgeons into the aesthetics. And also, those who are empowered and enlightened to become an entrepreneur at their own clinic, we help you in building marketing analysis, operating plan A to Z from company formation, necessary license and civil work. That is Kiranam Healthcare Private Limited. I cordially invite all of you to visit our centers, Clarefit and Dr. Suma Karthika, or for the inauguration of our third center.
Thank you, Dr. Karthika, for that wonderful talk.